Hello everyone, my name is Zifa Anwar and this is my brother Tabish Anwar. Today we're gonna learn the parrot. So let's start. The parrot is a beautiful but faithless bird. It is well known for its power of speech. It caught young and trained with care. It can talk a lot like a man. It is often taught beautiful short sentences in the praise of Allah. And it goes on glorifying Him all the day long. It is also taught very humorous phrases to tickle all who hear them. Its talk is only a mirror of the mind of its master. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe with your friends and family. Bye. Bye.